Okay, in this video, we will discuss the square roots of small perfect squares. So these are squares are perfect and there's a lot smaller numbers of no more than 5 digits. Okay, in this is video number 15, part 3 of 5. I split that video in 5 parts and this is the third part. Okay, square roots of small perfect squares. Okay, let's continue here. Okay, let's continue with next section here. In this section, we'll discuss square roots of small perfect squares. Okay, square roots of small perfect squares. Let's see what that is. We use the method for square root of perfect squares of length 3, 4, or 5. Let's continue here. Here the steps are split into two parts with the right part consisting of rightmost two digits. And find left digit of the answer from the table of squares. Okay. Let's see. Find two options of the right digit from the rightmost digit. Let's continue here and resolve the ambiguity of the units place. So in units place, you have two options and usually two options. Okay. And we resolve the ambiguity of the units place. Okay. Let's continue. Example, we're going to do a square root of 2916. Okay. Here's my table of squares. This is my cheat sheet here. Square of 1 is 1, that of 2 is 4, of 3 is 9, of 4 is a 16, of 5 is 25, 6 36, of 7 it's 49, of 8 it's 64, of 9 it's 81, of 10 it's 100, of 11 it's 121, of 12 it's 144, of 13 it's 169. Okay, let's split the number in two just like we discussed before, 29 and 16. 16 is rightmost digit, two digits, and 29 is whatsoever is left over on the left. Okay, obtain the left digit from the table on the left. 29 is between 25 and 36, and we'll use the lower number, 5. So left digit is 5. From 29, leftmost digit of the answer is 5. Okay, and right digit is either 4 or 16. We got 6 in here and a 6 in here. 6 in the rightmost digit means either 4 on the right or 6 on the right. The two options. Now we know for sure left digit is 5 given this is a perfect square. Okay, so left digit is 5, right is either 4 or 6, and we have to resolve the ambiguity. Let's see what we do. For that, we use the following method. Either we use digit sum method or compare against the square of left digit and 5 on the right, or compare against the square of the n values. Okay, let's continue here. This is my cheat sheet again. Two possible values are either 54 or 56. Okay, digit sum method. Okay, let's say 56 is what we're trying to, my first choice is. Digit sum of 56 is 11. Digit sum of 56 squared is digit sum of 11 times digit sum of 11, which is 4. Okay. And digit sum of 2916 is 9. So there is a contradiction. They do not match. Okay. This digit sum is not confirmed. Okay. We cannot confirm that. So that is my wrong option. Okay. Let's consider the other one. 54, digit sum of 54 is 9. And digit sum of 54 times 54 is also 9. So that's a confirmation here. So 54 is the answer. So digit sum of 2916 also 9. So confirmation, and 54 is the square root of 2916. So we have confirmation of the digit sums. Okay. So here's my cheat sheet again. Next example is 7569. We split in 269, two digits on the right, everything else on the left. On the left we have from 75, it's 8. It's between 64 and 81. Left digit is 8. So left digit is, right digit is 9, which means either is 3 or it's either 3 or 7. So left digit is, has two options here, 3 and 7. Okay, we'll use a comparison with square of 85. So we get, okay, and 85 is average of 83 plus and 87. So 85 times 85 is 8 times 9, and the right digit we don't matter. Okay, we know it's 25, but we don't use it. So 72, and this number is 75. 75 is larger than 72. That means we'll use the larger option for the right digit. 7225, which is 75 is greater than 72, and we choose the maximum of 3 and 7. So that means square root of 7569 is 87. Let us continue here. So another example, 14161, square root of 14161. Let's continue here. Here's my cheat sheet. Here two parts are 14161, rightmost two digits on the right and everything else on the left. Left part is from table on left is 11. Okay, 141 is between 121 and 144, and 11 is the digits for the square root on the left. Yes. Right is 1 here. 1 appears against square of 1 and also against the square of 9. So options for right digit are either 1 or 9. Okay, and 1 and 9 are 10's complement of each other. 1 plus 9 is 10. Let's continue here. We know that if it's 1 was the answer, digit of choice, then we would have 111 times 111, which is 12321, and which is not the same as 14161. However, 14161, the one we are looking for, square root of 14161 is larger than 12321, and so square root of 14161 must be 119, not 111. Let's continue here. We in fact wish to use compare with the bounding square. Desired square root is in 110 squared and 120 squared. In square root is within 110 and 120, and not using either of them. Okay. So square of lower number is 12100. Okay, and this number 14161 is larger than that for sure, and square higher number is 14400. Okay, and clearly 14161 is closer to the larger number, higher square number. Okay, so that means we choose larger of 1 and 9, which is 9. So that means square root of 14161 is 119. Let's continue here. Let's look at some exercises. Okay. Find square root of following perfect squares. Okay. 5929, okay. 11025, 14641, 900, 1089, 841, 12321, and some more. Okay, let's continue here. The first reference is Vedic Math Teacher's Manual, which is elementary level by Ken Williams, and you can get this book from vedicmaths.org, and PDF form is free. Okay. Let's look at next reference now, please. Vedic Mathematics by Bharati Krishna Tirtha Ji. That is the primary reference on Vedic math. That's the original and primary reference, and Bharati Krishna Tirtha Ji is the developer of Vedic math. Let us continue. Next is Discover Vedic Math by Ken Williams. This is the most complete, authoritative, and book with a consistent notation. Okay, let's continue here. Vedic Math for Schools in 3 volumes by James T. Glover. Mr. Glover used these books in his school. These have a very readable and cover most of the topics, okay, if not all. Let's continue here. Then Vedic Math for All Ages by Vanna Singhal. This is very readable book and does not cover as many topics as the Glover books do. Okay, let's continue.